In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate links in Lovable. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, having the skill to properly integrate links ensures your projects are more accessible and engaging for your audience. So, let's dive in and get started. First, go ahead and open up your web browser, navigate to the Lovable website by typing in the URL, or simply clicking the link below this video if you'd like to follow along more easily. With Lovable open, you'll see a range of options and tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, and when you're ready, move to the next step. Next, it's time to select the element in your project where you want to integrate a link. This could be a piece of text, an image, or any interactive part of your design. Click on the element that will serve as the linking point. This step is crucial, as it determines where the link will direct users when they interact with your content. Once you've selected the desired element, you'll need to access its settings. You can do this by clicking on the settings icon, typically represented by a cogwheel. This will open a menu displaying various options you can customize for that specific element. After the settings panel opens up, look for your account section. Clicking this will allow you to manage the elements associated with your profile. Within this account settings area, you'll find the link option. This is where we'll input the necessary details for your link integration. With the link option selected, you'll have the opportunity to paste the link you want to use. Lovable offers flexibility here, allowing you to choose different types of links. You can add a URL, direct users to a specific section within your project, link to an email, or even attach a file. Decide which type of link suits your needs and paste it into the appropriate field. Once the link is pasted, it's time to apply it. Look for an option to confirm or apply your changes. This is an important step because it ensures the link is active and ready for use. Double check that the link works as intended, redirecting to the correct destination. Finally, don't forget to save and publish your changes. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, locate the save and publish options in Lovable. These actions will make your link integration live, so others can access and interact with your content seamlessly. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've successfully integrated a link into your project on Lovable. By following this tutorial, you can now enhance your projects with direct, interactive pathways to more content and resources. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!